With UK equipment and systems business BCH having recently exhibited at the ProSweets event, we catch up with the firm to discuss how the show went for the business and look ahead to its aspirations for the rest of 2022 as it competes in a particularly competitive global marketplace. With ProSweets, I've always enjoyed being there. I've been there, 4 or 5 times now. What makes it an interesting and special show in your eyes?
Other than Interpack, this is really the next biggest thing for us in terms of size of show. But Interpack rolls over into other things, food, confectionery, and it's 18 halls, so it covers lots and lots. So ProSweets is very focused. It's very much a confectionery. We do have the bakery side of thing from some of the other halls as well. So that's what I think makes it unique. For us, it's the only show where it's entirely confectionery related products, because we do have food, pharmaceutical and other allied industries in our portfolio, but we enjoy this one. It's confectionery all the way.
Just addressing the pandemic, as we were saying a minute ago there, it's been tough for many people, but it sounds as if you've displayed a good deal of resilience. So how have you found this difficult period?
The most challenging time for us is more now than before. We had all the systems and procedures in place up and early. The workforce have been fantastic, totally dedicated, and worked with we've just obviously brought the plan B into place now. But everybody's so used to that kind of working relationship now. It's almost the norm. So in terms of as a business, with the workforce, that side of things, that's been fine. Work-wise, we've been at capacity for the full 18 months. That's now actually evolving even greater now for us with the current and future order pipeline that we have in place. The biggest challenge is the supply chain for us. At the moment, rising material costs, stainless steel particularly, but also and this has been across all industries, the electronics side of things has taken a real hit in terms of stop-start with deliveries and their suppliers. So it's become very, very difficult for us to obtain parts that are on a longer lead time than the entire project that we're doing. So it's difficult for customers to understand that sometimes, but we're really, stuck in the middle to some extent. But everybody at the end of the day understands the situation we're in, and we find a compromise, whatever that is. And we've been, we're fortunate. We've got guys out in Australia commissioning at the moment. Very successfully got that delivered. So yeah, it's challenging, but we've been in this situation for long enough now to be able to deal with it as best we can.
Glad to hear it. That's again a good sign. So here's hoping that continues with that trend and that the supply issues ease over time.
They will. We're starting to see some improvements now as they're starting to replenish the stocks and catch up. But really, once everything opened up this year, it just went from busy to crazy. So
yeah. Business is in a pretty positive position. Good.
Yeah, we were looking forward to we've during the situation we've acquired a significant piece of land at the side of where we are now. So we're looking at various investment opportunities there to expand our capabilities.
That's good to know indeed, and the business has a strong heritage as well, sort of stretching back it's over a century, isn't it? Well over a century. So that must play in your favour that you've got that track record in the industry.
Exactly. It's a worldwide brand when it comes to confectionery and food as well. We're very, very well known. So yes, we still have people operating machines from the 40s even. So that's testament to the quality of the equipment.
Have you noticed that there have been any trends for particular types of equipment being popular in the past couple of years that have taken your ranges on?
the fruit side of things, the 100% fruit, people are shifting a little bit. There seems to be more interest in the healthier perceived snacks. So we're doing a lot of work across the globe at the moment with clients old and new in taking that further forward. Whether it's an isolated system purely dedicated to that, or whether it's included on one of our existing extrusion lines, you've got both options available with the BCH equipment. So there's that. There's been an increased focus on power, energy costs. So we're constantly developing our equipment, which is the most efficient sort of cooking and extrusion systems on the market. So people are, coming. We're having detailed discussions and working out, total cost of ownership, everything like that now with the customer. There's been a particular focus on that, and also hygiene. The benefit of our systems again is the fact that you can see IP the whole sort of cooking and extrusion side of things. So we're moving that forward with customers and their customers in terms of reaching certain hygienic standards. So it's been not necessarily new equipment for a particularly new product, but it's been adapting and improving the equipment that we've already got to keep in line with the changing demands of our customers and their customers for different reasons.
So this, it's just looking ahead to 2022 in general, it sounds as if there's some momentum building up for the business. How optimistic are you that it's going to be a continued recovery?
Well, the way things are looking for us at the moment, in the next few weeks, we might be busy until beyond the middle of this year. So that sets us up straight away, just with the size of the projects and the nature of the projects. It's we're looking to be sort of feeling quite, not say comfortable, but secure, and then we can push on and carry on with other projects as well.
That's good. So, it sounds as if you're making progress in terms of your range of equipment keeps expanding. You don't rest on your laurels there?
No. We've got a number of new machines in the sort of preparatory design phase, which will start to build here, particularly for the Innovation Centre, increase the equipment portfolio down there and allow customers to come and try even more things with us. There's that. They're investing in a new plant and equipment for the manufacturing processes to become more efficient, more self-reliant. All these things are going on in the background of the customer projects as well. We're very active in not standing still.